Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2022 Chrysler Voyager. You can see here with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This has a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Got a handle on either side. These clamps that keep the ramp from rattling. You pinch and you flip. It's a great design. Take this to the ground using only my index finger. Tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with these. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair accessible van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. Now, a few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we sell full size, we even sell trucks and SUVs that are all wheelchair accessible vans. Wheelchair accessible vehicles. We have over 90 vehicles on the lot today, ready to go. Check out our inventory at themobility316.com. If you don't see it on there, get in touch with me. We're probably getting it ready, or I can find it for you. ADA compliant, got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and about 56 once you're inside the van. It's got the deep cut conversion, and these Chryslers are about a foot longer in the channel than both Toyota and Dodge. So if you want that extra foot to haul a gurney or 2 chairs at a time, these deep cut Chryslers might be the answer for you. It has the 8 tie down points, so you can tie up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. We've got the gurney kit in here. This can be removed quickly and easily, so you can go from gurney to wheelchair and back and forth in a matter of seconds. We have our spare tire in here. You can see it in our pictures. Cup holders in the rear. Headliner looks great. You got your rear air controls, and you have about 26 inches of room between those seats to get a wheelchair up in between those seats. Got your upgraded Q-strength tie downs. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. Got your warranty and information there on your tie downs. Got your cup holders, plug-ins for your electronic, dual air climate control, backup camera. You got heated seats and heated steering wheel. A lot of great features on this van. You can see the dash is in great shape. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can sync up your phone. Also, speaking of keeping your eyes on the road, and you can operate all the power doors from inside the cab here. And when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process. Very simple and very reliable. 1 finger. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. A lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you no warranty. Some 1 year, 12,000 miles, some 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare that to our 3 years unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the better belt conversion. Sorry, I had a phone call there, but we have tinted windows on the van. We have alloy wheels. We have brand new tires, and the stickers are still coming off. Brand new, 4 brand new tires. As I do a walk around in this van, you can see it's very clean. I'm looking for little nicks or scratches in the paint. I see a little touch-up paint right there. Had a couple chips in the paint. It's not a perfect van, but I'm honest enough to show you if I see a little chip or scratch in the paint, I'm going to show it to you. You hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. We have 1 central location, a few rock chips here on the front bumper. We have 1 central location right here in Wichita, Kansas, right in the middle of the country. I know a lot of you don't know where that is, but it's right in the middle of the country. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. That saves you money. I want you to imagine our competitors with 10, 20, 40 stores or even more compared to our 1 store. Imagine the millions of dollars of overhead they have per month, not per year, per month, than we do. That's how we save you so much money on these vans. It's low overhead. Very simple concept. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. Why say that? Facebook Marketplace, for example, very dirty. They take pictures of our vans. They cut out our sign up there, and what they do is they put a van on this van like this for sale, say $25,000 with a $2,000 deposit to hold it. That's not real. They don't even have these vans. They're trying to scam you. So say to them, I want you to make me a video of the VIN number on the side of the van. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and I have this van in my possession. They couldn't make that little 10-second blurb because they don't have the vans. Therefore, they cannot make that video. Protect yourself. Make sure you get a video of the VIN number. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see this from 1 owner, no accidents or damage. Last owned as a commercial vehicle. I like that. It means it's been adult driven. They maintain the commercial vehicles very well. Last owned in nice salt rust free California. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. It does show the vehicle went into service July 1st of 2022, so it meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler until July 1st, 2027, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and ratings. Check us out on eBay, 1,580 transactions. Every single one of those left us a positive feedback, 100%. I'd say that's a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 326 reviews. We have a long history of doing people right. I hear stories all the time of people buying from the general public or the low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a van that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of. You know, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical problems. So if you want the 1 and 2 and 3-star experience, you go ahead and deal with the general public and the low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service with the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. It does have one key fob here. We can get additional keys made on your dime. One cool thing about the van, it's got the remote start. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in these summer months, or you want to come out to a nice heated up van ready to go in the winter months with those heated seats and heated steering wheel ready to go, you've got that option. But the power driver seat works great. It's got the black cloth interior. What I also like about these vans is the push button start. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't need to dig it out. Put your foot on the brake, fire it right up, and you can see all the dummy lights work. They all go out. 38,969 miles. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. Got your backup camera there. The radio works just fine. And then we have the heated seats and heated steering wheel. You have those options. So again, quite a few nice options on this van. And if you want to use this van commercially, we can hit the off button there. What that does, turns the power doors off. So they open and shut quickly, manually. It's got your vinyl seats in the back. Those clean up easy if you get a spill or a mess on them. Got your gurney kit like I mentioned. Just a little bit of the layout back here for those of you that aren't real familiar with these vans. I've got 3 mechanics. We tested the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows moving right now so you know they work. We test the heat, air, belts, hoses, screws, suspension, steering, brakes, tires. Take these on a road test. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot like so many dealers do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. Underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any flood damage, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's low miles like this, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And that is the absolute most dangerous thing you can do. Folks, I just bought a brand new Ford Transit the other day at the auction. It had flood damage. My point is, people will take the vehicles to auction that have problems, they'll dump them off. So if a brand new vehicle can have flooding, imagine all the problems a used vehicle can have. So I don't care, go check out my competition. I don't care if it's another dealer, I don't care if it's a private individual. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online? Thousands of reviews so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair. Do they show me a free Carfax report so I know I'm buying from someone who's got a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees on the ground and take pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage. So you can see no signs of flood damage, no signs of a bad accident. They get up on the roof, take pictures and video of the roof so you can see it's not covered with hail damage, or there's no holes being drilled in top from being a taxi use. You know how many vehicles I see at auction every week and the roof is trashed. But the sellers don't fix the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So when it comes to my competition, I want you, please compare me to them. When it comes to price, reputation, how thorough they are, and showing the exact vehicle you're getting, I beg you, compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening. If you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, or it's got frame damage from an accident or a flood, and you can't register it. In both of those cases, and in many more if that happens, you bought a van you can't register, you can't drive it, you just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So to avoid those problems and many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying an $80 pair of Nikes off eBay. This is a big purchase, demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars per month, but I get the Carfaxes because I want to know what I'm buying before I buy it. I'm buying from your perspective. I demand a Carfax, you should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, the vehicle had the full 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion, and then also the powertrain warranty specs for the drivetrain as well. As I said, I'm getting up on the roof. I'm showing you no hail damage up here, no holes drilled in the roof. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping here in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence, made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems at all. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. I got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. I do keep in mind, it does meet the specs to be under the powertrain warranty from Chrysler. We do sell long-term warranties that are bumper to bumper factory type warranties that go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online with that fit in the fine print, $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees and by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used cars business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp so you can see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, which is all exactly what we're looking for. If you'd like to give us a call or a text message, preferably a text, that way anyone in my office can respond as soon as possible. That's the quickest way to get a hold of us, text message. But it's 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. That is a direct line to reach me, the owner. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to reach out to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. We have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can take an application over the phone, no problem. We do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. And if you ever do want to come in to see our inventory, we welcome it, but we do require that you make an appointment. We have 3 different locations. We keep vehicles. We're busy every second of the day. So text us, call us, and make that appointment. Help save us and yourself some time. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know that it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of each vehicle, free shipping on almost all of our vans, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com, and as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable, Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and we really appreciate you checking us out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.